About this item, 20W output is designed to provide the maximum charge to iPhone 14 14s Plus/14 Pro/14 Pro Max/iPhone 13 13s Mini/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/iPhone 12/12 Mini/12 Pro/12 Pro Max. Charge iPhone 14 13 12 and previous iPhone models up to 3 times faster than with an original 5W charger. Also supports Quick Charge 2.0 for a wide range of Android devices suitable for the US and the world electrical standards. It has ETL, US, FCC CEROHS certificate. The shell is made of high-quality ABS material, heat resistance and chemical resistance, and excellent electrical properties. Exhaustive protection while charging. Included a 6-feet USB-C to C lightning charging cord. Preeminent copper core wire maximizes signal quality and ensures stable data sync. Rapid charging at 3A maximum, helps you work efficiently.